In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add layers to your drawed.io diagram in Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue that contains your drawed.io diagram. Once you're on that page, click on the diagram itself. You should see a floating toolbar appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the diagram in a pop-up window. Give it a moment to load fully, and once it does, you'll be able to begin editing your diagram inside the draw.io editor. Now that you're in the editor, go up to the menu bar at the top. From there, click View, and then choose Layers. As soon as you do that, the Layers panel will appear. Depending on your layout, it will usually show up on either the right-hand side or the left-hand side of the editor. This panel is where you'll manage the different layers in your diagram. Next, look at the bottom of the Layers panel and click the plus button, which is the Add Layer option. A new layer will be created automatically. After that, rename the layer so it clearly reflects what you want to place on it. Giving layers descriptive names makes your diagram much easier to organize, especially if you're working with multiple groups of shapes or different parts of a process. Once your new layer is ready, you can start adding shapes to it. In the Layers panel, click the layer you want to work on so it becomes active or highlighted. This is important because any new shapes you add will go directly into the currently selected layer. After selecting it, simply drag shapes onto the canvas as you normally would. Everything you add at this point will be placed on that chosen layer. If you already have shapes in your diagram and want to move them to a different layer, that's easy too. First, select the shape you want to move. Then go back to the Layers panel and click the hamburger menu icon at the bottom of the panel. In the menu that appears, hover over Move Selection to, and then choose the layer you just created. The selected shape will be transferred to that layer. That's all there is to it. Using layers in Draw.io is a simple way to keep your diagrams cleaner, more flexible, and easier to manage inside Confluence and Jira. Once you start organizing content into layers, editing complex diagrams becomes much more efficient.